stealth fighter planes of the nature. Maybe we'll get lucky and see one with a fish or something in its talons. Oh, there he goes. Anyways, the nest is on the other side there. I'll post a picture of it and you can see it. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Saturday. And any weather updates, we'll update. Any animals, we'll update. And as always, peace out. These are Osprey's nest by our post box, and during the day, and one at nighttime with the stars behind it. Beautiful. Take care. Peace out.